See what I'm about to say right now? No founder not gonna like it. No founder gonna feel like I'm wrong for say the things that I'm about to say. But it needs to be said because Pickney nowadays no have no respect for adults. Pickney nowadays don't know what discipline is. And you know why? Because parents no longer able to raise them kids the way they supposed to. Society raise them. Government raise them. So that's why kids no longer have respect for even them very own parents. Kids definitely not have respect for teachers anymore because teachers cannot discipline them. When I was going to school and if teacher says something to me used to have to listen. And not just me, my classmate them too. And of course, you used to have the bad boy them in a school where you used to go on with one heap of things. But there always was a teacher we could have control him no matter how bad him act up in a school. But nowadays, them things they can't happen again because what? Teachers no longer have the right to spank a child. Teachers can't do this, teachers can't do that. That is why you see all kind of videos surfacing on social media these days where teachers get boxed down and licked down and all kind of things like that from them students and them can't do nothing more than stand up and take it. Me get beaten from my mother. It never kill me. And that is where we now go wrong. We don't want to bring in this US thing to Jamaica. When Jamaica Pickney them get vile. Now, you see one where they know at a boss unstoppable. You're wrong for that. Watch that video here right here so. And tell me how it is you would have disciplined this child for Waimado. Now, the initial clip posted had no audio along with it. But as you can see on the screen, this primary school student, Homestead Primary to be exact, right? You can see this primary school student very angry, acting out for whatever reason it may be. Maybe him and one of him schoolmate or classmate having some kind of altercation and him get angry and upset, right? And decides him go draft some big stone and throw into the classroom. Look at how him grab that little girl and drag her out of the class. For what reason, right? The teacher standing there cannot do a thing about it. You know why? Because if she try to discipline him, she go get in a problem, right? Or if she try to grab him and do anything, the parents probably go down there and war her, or police are go come put on handcuff panar. So teachers these days can't do nothing at all to control these kids in school. Now look at him. Look at him, and then you're going to have some person where you come in the comment section and say, you know, him have mental issues, you know. Obviously, that child needs some help mentally. Come on now. That right there, so it's just a bad Pickney. You understand? Look at that. Look at that. Him a aim the big stone off of the teacher. Where respect gone? Where respect gone? Eh? Now, who can discipline this little child right here, so? Nobody. Nobody. Because even if the police come, the way how him carry on right now, him probably go want to bad up the police them same way. You understand? At this age, you shouldn't even have to call police for a child this age. You should be able to control him as an adult. Now, obviously, him have no respect for the teacher, right? The teacher standing right there in front of him. And him a fling big stone right past the teacher. The teacher try to hold on upon him. Him not try to stop. Him all a fling stone through the window. Now look at that little child. You can't see him in a primary school, you know. Now if the teacher has no control over him, who will control him? And the way in which him carry on right there, so it would appear that even if them call the police to come console him, him still would have want to act up in front of the police them. You know why? Him no discipline. Now, as me say again, when I was a child, if me did ever do something like that at school, you know what would happen? Teacher probably would have draw me up and bust my backside. And then call my parents, and my parents would have probably come and bust my backside again in front of everybody in high school. Yeah, double discipline. And then when you go home, you better know so you're still under punishment same way. Come on, man. Now, I'm not the only one who feels this way. This brother right here, so, had something to say about it too. Not this specific video, but he want to address the road Pickney them. And the way how him feel like Pickney should be raised. Check it out.
Yeah, man. Well, I go make Mr. Andrew Holness know this. My Pickney when him a give me trouble and me beat him, come take lick off of him. And that's why so much gunman there and we can't control them. We are 14, 13 and 15. Cause no one bring foreign to Jamaica. Where Jamaican toughened Pickney them a lick grow them. And when you was a youth, a lick grow no make you no acknowledge life up till today day. And from your start talk about corporal punishment, nothing in the home, them most of the Pickney them a turn gunman, thief. You can't talk to them at school anymore as teacher. See? And when me a go to school as a youth, teacher have belt to slap Pickney in them hand and teach Pickney wrong from right. And right now no wrong from right now teach. Because when I come in with a look of foreign style, where Pickney a go kill off them parents and sit down in a house till the police come. And then I go kill people Pickney. I say parents, nah school them Pickney good. When time Pickney forget slapping at them rats when them disobey. And you know with your rich Pickney. Me no rich so me poor. Gary so me born. Me have a school my youth big man. So try get that in your head brother. And run the country properly. And stop going like you want to run down the country in a violence. Because that's why so much crime and violence are go on. Because nobody can school them Pickney no more. Where you get to the style from? Eh? At Tambrin with people used to plot for Pickney. And leather belt. And school them properly. And you see how you grow come up nice and wonderful. And how them a brute force Pickney are grow now. Disaster rust, gun rust, internet rust. Everything that is bad in a eye. And you know why people school them Pickney. And you know dead when the Pickney them a get out of hand. You need to acknowledge what Jamaica is from what you run it to. Remember the days of Jamaica was natural culture. No natural culture no there again. Because be a nastiness and more sound government implementing it. Because sound no get pay brother. So nobody come see me at school my Pickney because I not go beat my Pickney for kill him you know. Oh, I not go beat him for kill him. But when him go to school and disobey the teacher and them call I-4 and you go slap him. And that will not run from. And that's why so much crime and violence in the country.
Alright, so more want to talk to me in the comment section, you know, and tell me what would you do in a situation like that? And do you actually believe that children should be disciplined in the right way? Not just talk to, not just a stern talking to. If a child acts out in the way they're not supposed to act out, what do you think the proper way to deal with it, the proper way to handle it is? Tell me in the comment section. I would love to know. Now, let's move away from that little bit, because boy, Anyway. You know the internet I consider it to be a variety space, right? I'm going to tell you why I say so. On the internet you find all kind of things. Sometimes you find some video will make you sad. Others you find will make you angry, like the one where we showed earlier with the little boy. And then you find some inspirational ones, you know. And also you find the one that will make you laugh. And that's what this one I'm going to make you say right now is, right? This brother you talk about how much time him go to jail or how much time him end up, you know, get locked up or arrested for whatever him do. And, you know, I find it kind of hilarious the way in which he must share the jail story them. Come and take a listen to this.
You got to jail for fire.
What?
How much time you say you got to jail?
5 times.
How you got? Where first time you go for?
First time weed then catch me and me daddy with over north and town.
Second
Another time now. Goat.
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 And the third time?
2 times goat.
Yeah.
When they catch me run so with the goat, guess what the man them do with me?
No, no. Tell me now.
Tie me down on the car trunk and tie up me hands and if you lie down on the face and throw me in my back and have the goat in my car back.
Yo, boy.
Guilty with explanation, you run. Me a talk about when me broke the shop now, you know. Hear him. When make you broke the hair, man judge, why you broke the shop, Mr. Harrison? He said, you wanna please? Me dey hungry, man. So he said, why make your teeth rum and beer and dragon?
You don't hungry them for
Hear me now. Hear me too hard. You wanna Because wine is a matter. And chanting is raging. Whosoever the thief buy is not wine.
Yo, boy, I really
You wanna, me can't tell you something. Marriage is honorable and your bed not defiled. You wanna start laugh now. Yeah, you wanna. Lord God. You know, say Lord God, you know, in top. People half hour. And me say, what? I'll jail me gone, you know. Yeah, Mr. Harrison, I don't find no fault against you. You may go. I say, thank you, Your Honor.
So that's the first time.
Yeah.
So what the second time you work out now? How you work out that?
Second time, me tell them, say, I'm my wife, both then she just call up at some woodland, make him come see. But the time when they lock me up, me do actually 3 months free ganja in a day. Yeah, man.
Now this when you go in a jail, where you say they make you do in a day?
Dance with Miss Wallace.
What name Miss Wallace?
No shit bucket, man.
So you dancing Miss Wallace? What did you fire?
Man,
Oh, you dancing Miss Wallace?
you have to put it on your head.
Yeah.
Brother,
Yeah.
I'm a dance.
Oh, you
I'm
dance?
in front of you sometime and now.
Yo, see your juice are that on fire?
Yeah.
Eh? You see if you want Miss Wallace?
Yeah, man.
And Miss Wallace call out to you? When you say to you?
Yeah,
Oh, they say I don't want to do that.
when you go with this girl a man in time now, you have to hold it down. And I say, low! 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 You can't see one man friend walk cardboard there and go walk on it. You must be mad.
Hold on, fire.
It was thing matter to you. You when you walk on the carpet, what? Are your best friend? You hungry in the one night and go thief one bun the one boy. Oh, it's your me. Mommy tell me no fish you inside outside. I'll tell me to open up the hand. And when you buy the bad brother, that's how I come with the puff dog. This when you puff me, you give me say, you when you rock back again and clap me, I'll say
Yo, fire. Yo, fire. Yeah, easy enough fire. History man still in a G.
No, you hear the man say if I got Jay go dance with piss pack, boy, I tell you. Hey, listen to me, man. Though, you know, broken people's shop is not something to laugh at, and though thieving goat is not something to laugh at, you know, the good thing about this is, and I'm actually hoping that him stop do them thing there still. Yeah, that's that. I hope say him stop go broke people's shop and stop thief people goat and all of the things that him get arrested for. But, you know, the good thing about it is, him go through all of that and he is able to laugh about it in the end. You understand? And just look back and go down memory lane. Alright? If you like this video right here, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what is your opinion on this one, because as you know, me always tell you, your opinion matters.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.